We have been waiting for smart glasses to stop being weird. For a decade, they have been bulky, expensive, and frankly, a little embarrassing to wear in public. We have been promised the future, but all we got were awkward gadgets that made us look like cyborgs. But today, that changes. I have been testing Xiaomi's new smart glasses, and I am telling you right now, this is the moment the technology finally grew up. These aren't just a prototype. They aren't a toy. They're a legitimate glimpse into a future where your phone stays in your pocket and the world explains itself to you. The first thing you notice when you pick them up is what isn't there. There's no massive battery pack hanging off the back. There's no giant prism blocking your eye. They just look like glasses. Weighing in at only 51 grams, they're shockingly light. Xiaomi has used a clever mix of high-grade plastics and aluminum-magnesium alloy to create a frame that feels premium but disappears on your face. You can wear these to a coffee shop, a meeting, or on the subway, and nobody will give you a second glance. That invisibility is their greatest superpower. But the magic happens when you put them on. Hidden inside the right lens is a micro-LED display system. This isn't a normal screen. It uses optical waveguide technology to project information directly into your field of view. The projector itself is capable of pumping out 2 million nits of brightness. That sounds insane, but by the time it reaches your eye, it is tamed down to a crisp, monochrome green overlay that is perfectly visible even in direct sunlight. It floats there, transparent and unobtrusive, waiting for you to need it. Let's talk about what this actually feels like in the real world. Imagine walking down a busy street in Tokyo or Paris. You don't speak the language. You look at a menu, and instead of pulling out your phone and fumbling with an app, the glasses just translate it. The English text overlays the foreign text in real time. It feels like a superpower. The 5-megapixel camera on the front captures the image, the onboard AI processes it, and the display shows you the result instantly. It is seamless. It removes the friction from travel. Then there is navigation. This is the feature that will make you never want to use a phone map again. You put in your destination, and floating arrows appear in your vision. Turn left in 50 meters. Walk straight. You can ride a bike, carry groceries, or just keep your hand in your pockets, and the glasses guide you without ever demanding your full attention. It keeps your head up and your eyes on the world, not down at a screen. But Xiaomi didn't stop at visuals. The arms of the glasses house directional micro speakers. They beam sound directly into your ears without blocking them. This means you can listen to a podcast, take a phone call, or hear your navigation prompts while still hearing the traffic around you. It is safer than noise-canceling headphones and more private than a speakerphone. The touch controls on the side are intuitive. Tap to answer, swipe to change volume. It feels natural after 5 minutes of use. Under the hood, these are powered by a quad-core ARM chipset. It manages Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the camera with surprising efficiency. You get about 5 to 7 hours of use, which gets you through a heavy day of intermittent notifications and translation. And when they die, the magnetic charging dock juices them back up in just over an hour. Of course, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. Smart glasses have a bad reputation for being creepy. Xiaomi knows this. They have included a bright LED indicator next to the camera that lights up whenever it is recording or taking a photo. It is a simple, effective way to tell the people around you, I am capturing this. It respects the social contract. There are limitations, though. These aren't waterproof, so don't wear them in a monsoon. The camera isn't going to replace your iPhone for Instagram photos. It's a utility tool for scanning and translation. And right now, the integration is much smoother on Android than iOS. If you have a Xiaomi phone, it is seamless. If you have an iPhone, you might hit some friction. But when you compare these to the competition, Xiaomi stand alone. Ray-Ban stories are great for music and social media, but they have no display. Google Glass was too industrial. Snap spectacles are too flashy. Xiaomi has found the sweet spot: utility, style, and subtlety. They have built a device for people who want to be more productive, more connected, and more present in the real world. The potential here is enormous. Imagine AI that reminds you of a person's name as they walk up to you. Imagine live captions for a conversation in a noisy bar. Imagine a teleprompter for your next presentation floating invisibly in front of your eyes. These glasses are the platform for all of that. If you're a traveler, a student, or just a tech enthusiast who is tired of staring at a black rectangle in your hand, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses are the upgrade you have been waiting for. They aren't just better than you think. They are the beginning of the end for the smartphone era. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of wearables, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends who are still skeptical about smart glasses, and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the next big review. Thanks for watching.